Tired of the constant strain overhead? We've got something that will ease your pain and make working above your head easy. This incredible tool provides active support to help you stay comfortable while you tackle ceiling and wall tasks, reducing the physical toll. And that's not all. There's another tool that will change the way you approach precision. If you think those are impressive, wait until you see the rest of our list. More exciting tools are waiting to be revealed. Let's get started. When it comes to woodworking, precision and ease can make all the difference, and the Tino wood router delivers on both fronts. With a 650 watt motor, this compact router provides enough power to handle various tasks, from detailed edge work to heavier jobs. You've got 6 variable speeds ranging from 15,000 to 32,000 RPM, giving you the flexibility to adjust depending on whether you're working with softwood or hardwood. The real highlight is the stepless speed adjustment, which allows you to find the exact speed you need for the job, which helps extend the life of the cutter. The sturdy, rubber-covered base ensures stability, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. Plus, it comes with a 12-piece bit set and a carrying case, keeping everything organized for your next project. It's an all-around solid tool for anyone who loves working with wood. Overhead tasks can be a real challenge, but the Festool Exoactive Exoskeleton is here to make life easier. This innovative exoskeleton provides extra power for arms, taking the strain off your neck and shoulders. Whether you're working on walls, ceilings, or anything overhead, the Exoactive helps you work longer without feeling physically drained. It features an active support system powered by an 18-volt battery, giving you adjustable assistance exactly where you need it. You can easily personalize the settings based on your height and how much help you want, all in a matter of seconds. Plus, it's as easy to wear as a backpack. Tradespeople will appreciate how it reduces fatigue, allowing more focus on the quality of work. If you've ever dreaded overhead work, this exoskeleton is about to change that. A clean workshop isn't just about appearances, it helps you work better, and the Kreg Dust Separator makes that simple. This handy tool fits most 5-gallon buckets and captures over 99% of dust before it even hits your vacuum. That means less clogging and up to 10 times longer filter life, which translates to fewer stops and less hassle for you. The FilterMax fins are specifically built to trap fine dust, so even the smallest particles don't stand a chance. The transparent top lets you see everything in action, giving you that peace of mind that it's doing its job. Plus, the 90-degree swivel elbow adds stability, so no more worrying about it tipping over while you're moving it around. If you want to spend more time working and less time cleaning up, the Kreg Dust Separator is a must-have. When you're looking for a reliable and smooth cutting experience, the Worksite Cordless Circular Saw is up to the task. With a no-load speed of 4,000 RPM, this saw ensures clean and precise cuts every time. Whether you're handling standard cuts or working on angled bevel cuts, its tool-free depth adjustment makes it simple to switch between tasks. The bevel adjustment, which goes from 0 to 45 degrees, lets you easily handle angled cuts, giving you flexibility for different projects. Plus, the lock-off button adds an extra layer of safety, preventing any accidental starts. Designed for professionals, this saw delivers power with its 2200 watt motor, while remaining comfortable to use thanks to its adjustable features. If you need a cordless saw that brings both power and precision, this one is a solid choice for any workshop. If tough drilling tasks are on the horizon, the DCA rotary hammer drill is ready to deliver power and precision. With its brushless motor, this hammer drill is built for durability and efficiency, meaning less maintenance and more work done on a single battery charge. Offering 3 modes: drill, rotary hammer, and demolition. You can easily switch between functions depending on the task at hand. It's perfect for drilling into concrete, steel, or wood, with a max capacity of up to 24 millimeters in concrete. The variable speed control allows for precision, and with an impact energy of 4.5 joules, you've got the muscle to handle demanding jobs. Its ergonomic design keeps it comfortable in your hand, and the lightweight build means less fatigue, even after hours of work. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this cordless hammer drill offers freedom and power in one. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. For those who need precision and durability in one tool, the Ox Pro Tough Rule is a reliable choice. With its 1200mm length, it's perfect for marking out and nailing floor screw spacings at common intervals like 300mm, 600mm, and up to 1200mm. This makes it ideal for larger projects like framing or working with sheets of ply. Its 45mm width pairs well with common 90mm by 45mm timber, giving you the accuracy you need. The reinforced brass hinge and pins add strength, while the ABS plastic construction ensures long-lasting durability. Plus, with beveled edges and an easy-to-use angle finder, you'll find it's as comfortable as it is practical. Whether you're framing, measuring, or marking, this tool delivers reliable accuracy with 0.5mm marked increments for high-precision work. A solid tool for any professional or DIY job. For anyone who works with chisels and planes, the Going Make Precision Honing Guide System makes sharpening easy and precise. This guide helps you get a perfectly sharp edge every time by keeping your chisel or plane in place, so you can achieve a smooth, even sharpening on your whetstone. The double rollers, both short and long, add extra stability, ensuring your chisel stays at the right angle. This way, you'll end up with a square, clean edge after every sharpening session. With an adjustable angle fixture, you can easily sharpen tools to precise angles between 15 degrees and 45 degrees, making it perfect for a range of tasks. Not sure of your tool's angle? Just use the included angle gauge to check before starting. The system's durable all-metal construction, made from aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel, ensures long-lasting performance. Plus, it fits most standard woodworking chisels in your workshop. It's easy to lock in place, simple to use, and comes with a storage box, keeping your tools safe and ready for the next sharpening. If you need to keep machinery in top condition, the CC 2-in-1 grease gun is a great tool to have. This upgraded grease gun offers unmatched efficiency with its powerful, pure copper motor, which takes the hassle out of manual greasing, saving up to 90% of time and energy with its easy trigger operation. With the ability to switch between two forms, it's perfect for machinery owners, farmers, and construction workers alike. Equipped with 2000 mAh2 rechargeable batteries, it can grease up to 8 tractors on a full charge, making it reliable for long jobs. The built-in LED light and flexible hose ensure precise greasing, even in low light conditions, while the shoulder strap adds comfort during extended use. The custom carrying case and hose organizer make storage and transport simple, making it the go-to grease gun for a variety of equipment. If you're the type to obsess over the details of your cuts, you'll appreciate the precision that comes with the Klein Tools Digital Angle Finder. This tool is a must-have when you want your cuts to be dead on. Whether you're measuring inside or outside angles, or setting up your miter saw, the Digital Angle Finder offers accuracy to within just 0.2 degrees, making sure your miter joints fit together perfectly every time. The compact design, paired with a bright white LED display, makes it easy to read in any lighting condition. And it doesn't stop there. This tool also features durable, rust-resistant metallic ruler edges with deeply etched markings, so you don't have to worry about your measurements fading over time. Plus, the simple locking knob ensures your angles stay locked in place while you work. Lightweight, powered by just one AAA battery, and easily storable, this tool is designed for precision, portability, and ease of use. When it comes to versatility, the Roberts 3-in-1 knife is a tool that can easily adapt to a range of tasks. Designed with installers in mind, this knife is perfect for cutting carpet, vinyl, or even working as a utility knife for a variety of other materials. What makes it so convenient? The knife accommodates multiple blade types: carpet, utility, trimmer, hook, and concave, each with an easy, quick change mechanism. The knife has a patented insert with 3 different positioning options, depending on the blade you need. Whether you're working with carpet or LVT, LVP, you can switch it up with just a flip of the insert. The molded comfort grip and pinky hold offer extra leverage for tougher cuts, while in-handle storage keeps extra blades within arm's reach, so you never have to stop the job to find replacements. From carpet installation to cutting twine, this knife is versatile, easy to use, and built for the job. For those tough, tricky jobs that require a lot of grip and control, the Knipex twin grip slip joint pliers are a game changer. At 200mm, these pliers deliver serious power. With their optimized 2-zone gripping jaw, they offer excellent grip on both sides and front, making them perfect for loosening or tightening screws and bolts, even worn ones. Whether you're dealing with fine or coarse work, the twin grip has you covered. And because it's slim and flexible, you can use it in tight spaces where other tools might struggle. What's even better is the range of sizes available: 150mm, 200mm, and 25mm, all with the same high bite force and quick adjustment for versatility. Forged from high-grade chrome vanadium steel, these pliers are built to last, with induction-hardened teeth to deliver a solid grip every time. Whether you're working on small or large projects, the twin grip ensures reliable, safe, and powerful performance. If you've ever struggled with dull tools slowing down your work, the ToolShed Wet Grinder Sharpener is the solution you've been waiting for. The ToolShed Wet Grinder Sharpener comes with everything you need to get your tools back to perfect working condition. It features a 220 grit grinding wheel for a fine sharpening job and a 146mm leather stropping wheel for that finishing touch. The included tool rest, tool holder jig, and angle guide make it simple to set the right angle every time. Whether you need forward or reverse sharpening, this wet grinder is built for both with horizontal and vertical fixtures. Plus, the water reservoir ensures your tools stay cool during sharpening. Need to move it around? The handy top handle makes transport a breeze. Keep your tool sharp, safe, and ready to perform with professional results every time you use the ToolShed Wet Grinder. This rafter square isn't just about its sharp looks. The 7-inch Briton Square's features are built for efficiency and accuracy. The 21-pin locking angle system uses a stainless steel arm that slides smoothly on a machine track. Lock in your desired angle with just a push of a button for repeatable, precise cuts every time. It has 3 built-in level vials, including a bullseye vial, so you can easily check plumb and level. Made with high-quality aluminum and stainless steel, it's tough and durable, able to withstand heavy use without warping, cracking, or breaking. Whether you're using it as a saw guide, level, protractor, or pitch finder, this versatile square is designed to simplify your projects, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIYers alike. When it comes to handling and unwinding cables efficiently, the Cobble Trombo 500 is the tool you've been looking for. It makes unwinding cables easy, fast, and damage-free. No more tangled messes or twisted cables. Simply place the cable reel on the unwinder, and with gentle, ergonomic handling, you can pull the cable off smoothly and without causing any strain on the material. Whether you're working with large or small cable reels, the Trombo 500 can handle up to 140 kilograms reels with ease, ensuring the process remains efficient. Its compact design, just about 55 by 53 centimeters and weighing only 8 kilograms, lets you place it where needed without a hassle. With the added benefit of either manual or caster-mounted mobility, this unwinder is as flexible as your workflow demands. When you're working with dual-component adhesives, the Tajima Tool Convoy Super 26 Duo offers more precision and power. This tool is designed to handle both 1 and 2 dual-component adhesive cartridges, making it versatile for all kinds of projects. What really sets the Convoy Super 26 Duo apart is its twin thrust system, which uses a 4-point system to provide a powerful thrust on the plunger. With a 26:1 thrust ratio, it makes dispensing even the thickest and most stubborn materials feel effortless. Whether you're sealing or bonding with heavy-duty materials, this tool will deliver precise control and reliable performance. Its fastener attachment position adds extra convenience, allowing for smoother operations without the hassle of manual adjustments. Whether you're a pro or tackling a DIY project, the Tajima Tool Convoy Super 26 Duo ensures your work is done right with ease. Let's take a look at a tool that's built for tackling tough surfaces with ease. Introducing the Ivano EPF 200 3 wall and floor surface renovation Miller Scabbler. The EPF 203 is a powerhouse for those big renovation projects. Whether you're removing plaster, paint, wallpaper, or tile adhesives, this high-powered tool makes the job fast and efficient. Its 1500-watt motor and 3 rotating milling discs give you an impressive surface removal rate, saving you time and effort. The adjustable milling hood helps control depth and dust, while the EDMC digital motor control ensures consistent performance. This tool's versatility also allows you to tackle a variety of surfaces with ease, roughing up walls and floors quickly. Whether you're renovating a home or preparing a space for a fresh coat of paint, the EPF 203 is built to handle the toughest jobs with precision. Now, for those of us looking to speed up our painting projects, here's the ToolShed Airless Spray Gun. If you've got a larger painting job ahead, it is a perfect companion. Say goodbye to dragging out a noisy air compressor. This tool is all-in-one, powered by a 950-watt motor. You can use it with oil, water, or latex-based paints, primers, and even liquid pesticides, making it versatile for any project. Its long 15-meter hose and 500mm extension wand allow you to reach high ceilings and distant corners with ease. Whether you're painting a house, barn, or fence, this airless spray gun delivers smooth, professional results. The pressure control knob with 4 settings ensures you get the right amount of spray for every surface, while the spray nozzle gives you a consistent 250mm fan width for even coverage. When it's time to split logs for the fire, you'll want something that can handle the pressure. The Forestmaster FM 8-log splitter is great when you need to split logs fast. With a 2,200-watt motor producing 5 tons of force, this tool makes light work of even the hardest woods. It's built to split logs up to 370 mm in length and 300 mm in diameter, ensuring you can quickly stockpile firewood for the winter. What sets the FM8 apart is its safety features. The stronger moving carriage and larger safety cage prevent logs from slipping, while the duo-cut blade allows for more efficient splitting. It uses only 50% of its power at any given time, reducing strain on the motor for longer life. Whether you're using it for small or medium logs, this log splitter makes splitting wood a lot easier. For DIYers looking to install shelving, the Goin Make Metal Shelf Pin Jig is a game changer. With its high-quality aluminum alloy construction, this jig helps you drill precise, straight holes for shelf pins quickly and easily. It's designed to drill up to 7 holes at once with perfect spacing, so you can create your own custom shelving in no time. The adjustable design makes it versatile, fitting different edge distances to suit your project needs. Whether you're working on small shelves or a larger project, this jig will help you drill clean, accurate holes every time. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and ensures your shelves will be sturdy and professional looking. Last but not least, we've got something to help light up your work when you need it most. The Tolson Sensor Headlamp. If you're working in low light, this is exactly what you need. This headlamp is powered by a 3-watt COB LED and offers 2 brightness levels, 100 and 300 lumens. Whether you're working outdoors or in dark spaces, it'll light your way with a 6500K white light. The sensor feature makes it easy to turn on and off with a simple wave of your hand, so you don't have to fiddle with switches. Plus, with its IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating, it's built to withstand tough environments. The adjustable bracket allows you to direct the light where you need it, while the comfortable, non-skid grip belt ensures it stays securely in place. So, there you have it. Amazing tools that are ready to revolutionize your projects. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tool discoveries.